Hi, my name is Mo Kaushal, CEO and founder, as well as head of instruction at MK Elite Tutoring. We are an American company centered around education and learning and development. And what we do is deliver the best in test prep improvement, as well as learning and development improvement in areas of most high need equity, such as implicit bias, in addition to financial literacy and other sub things. Our test prep solutions are ACT prep, SAT prep, LSAT prep, soon to be JD Next, as well as law school success. I am a record-setting educator in test prep, namely NWA MAP reading 6 through 12, nationally and globally record-setting, as well as someone who has taught, educated, developed curriculum for, and so forth, 10,000 plus students. This product, LearnQ.ai, has helped me tremendously as a solution on the end of automated practice. The ability for students to be able to gain quick practice in short form as well as full-length practice tests is a great solution by LearnQ.ai, and it truly helps students be able to practice in an easy to understand and straightforward yet engaging manner. The customer support by LearnQ.ai has been excellent. These are now my friends and business partners, and we plan on going the long haul and growing a lot together. I have nothing but good things to say about LearnQ.ai. I can tell that they weren't just nice to me because of what I have to offer them, but because that's who they really are. So as a business-to-business partner or as a consumer, LearnQ.ai has my hard-to-achieve badge of 5 out of 5 stars approval. All right, thank you so much. Go LearnQ.ai, go MK Elite Tutoring.